Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Wednesday, December the 19th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is the email address you can use if you have any questions for me, and this is a link to get into our 100% free trading room. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. I open the room every day at 9 o'clock. That's when I start to share my screen and get live on the mic at a little after that, about 9:05. I go to up to 3:30, Mondays to Thursdays, and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. Well, one sensational alert from Holly today, MRIN, up 57% from the original entry price, and it's at 636. I believe it's halted right now, but really what I want to talk about is this. This is the candle in which the alert happened, okay? So Holly got the alert at 403, so it started at 358, zoomed up here, got all the way up here, and I'm reasonably certain that you could not get that stock at 403. I think it probably crashed right through and went up, but look what happened. It then had a pullback right to the alert price, and then even here it pulled back a little bit. So I guess my point is, plenty of time to take the trade right in this area here if you wanted it. You know, yes, you'd be giving up 15 cents or so, but you know, and you could have got it right back at the entry price if you really wanted to. So, you know, we hear people, we get posts from people, emails from people screaming and yelling, I couldn't get it and it moved too quickly, and you know and yet wow, look at this, it opened again. So it's up to 652. But I guess my point is, this particular one, plenty of time to re-enter the trade or get in the first time if you missed it. And now look at this move. I mean, now this is up 60%, okay? And, you know, it's a low float situation, 5 million shares in the float. That's why stocks can do this. So yes, it had a pullback here. And I'm not saying it would have been easy to hold through all this, but just kind of showing you that sometimes just because you miss the first entry doesn't mean you just take your eye off it. So that was a good one. JBL. So I still was concentrating on my evening scans, as I call them. And we saw this one, JBL, in the trading room. JBL had earnings after hours yesterday. This is the mauve area, had the beautiful pop up here. And then in the pre-market kind of held, popped up here, and then it started to give it up. And so I took this short at 23.93, just underneath the whole number, and was able to cover most down in this area here, 23.22 I think, and 23.38. And now it's sort of meandering around trying to get a direction. But that was, you know, not on a percentage basis, a nice little move. And the same thing with NCS. Same principle from the evening scan. NCS is an earnings play, had a little pop in the pre-market, and then once the market opened, look out. And this is actually a Holly alert to go long. Obviously it didn't work. You know, there was the alert to go long at 9:20. Holly stopped herself out, I think right around here. I entered this short at 871, right about here. Was a little bit late actually. I really wanted to take it right here, but I was a little bit late on it, and covered a lot in well, actually it was 846 and 855. So not incredibly good, but not bad. The other one I'm still in is AXGN. I just took this before I started doing this video, and so I'm in this one at 1988 on the short. That's close enough. And why, if you take a look at the daily chart, had a horrible day yesterday, had the bottoming tail right there, and this is like a continuation down, second day continuation down. So, you know, obviously I'm waiting to see if it can approach yesterday's low, and so far so good. So I know this has been a very quick video. You know, I just want to get back into the room. I did another little trade in GDI, but not that and another one from Holly in CSEE, but want to get back into the room. But again, I'm really finding that this evening scan, this one, these two right there, these are the same. It's the same window. It's just that I've sorted it on the position in the day's range, so I can see the ones right near the bottom, and I can see ones right near the top. If I expand the window, you'll see what I mean. So it's the same It's just one window really, but especially when you get a lot in here, if you get a lot of stocks in here, I want to be able to very quickly see the ones that are near the top of the day's range. That's why I have it sorted up in that like that, or near the bottom of the day's range very quickly without having to scroll up and down. Okay, just get rid of that. Okay, so I am now going to go back into the room. This has been another exciting day. It's amazing, just when you think it's all going to dry up before the holidays, but boy, oh boy, we always, always, always can find things to trade. So I'm going to shut this down, and I'm going to get back to capture program. So again, I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I'll start to share my screen and get live in the mic at 9:05. So I hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.